What's up YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to film yourself using this Snap Mounts GoPro mount. So if you're like me, you want to capture footage of yourself riding your bike, but you have limitations, especially if you're just kind of going solo. And I've always been envious of those kind of videos that you see on Instagram of people shooting or filming you with their phone while they're riding in the car and you're on the bike. So I've been thinking about, how can I achieve that kind of motion? How can I achieve that kind of look? I'm curious as to see if this is going to be strong enough to stick to the side of my car and to the back. But yeah, let's see what kind of footage we get. Alright, so welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little montage. I just stitched together all these random clips, so there's not a lot of continuity, but that's not really what I was going for. I wanted a lot of change of pace, different views, different speeds, things of that nature. I think it turned out pretty decent. One thing that I will say is for the side view, for the next time, if there is a next time, I need to place the camera a little bit lower. I had it kind of at the chest level, and I thought that was going to be higher, I thought that was going to be the right angle, but as you guys saw in the video clip, it only caught like my torso and above. So that's really a disappointment, but on the back, I think I had it right. I could I could have placed the camera a little bit lower. So camera placement is critical. But overall, man, I was really impressed with the kind of clips that I was able to get. And I put the GoPro. I was a little worried that the GoPro was going to fall off and I was going to lose another GoPro, but it held on. It held on really strong. I thought the footage was really smooth. Obviously, the GoPro has some image stabilization or footage stabilization, so that really helped out a lot. I didn't use the super wide angle. I just used the regular wide angle view, and I think that helps the image look a little bit closer. When you have super wide angle, it makes everything just seem so far away. So overall, yeah, if you have somebody who can ride with you in the car, just get one of these, snap it to the car. Riding on next to my wife in my motorcycle on the highway was kind of challenging because we had to stay close together. I didn't know exactly what kind of moves that she was going to make, so I had to anticipate a lot. But obviously trailing her is a little bit easier, although she does press on the brakes quite a bit, so that kind of scared me. But overall, I thought it was really successful. Very happy with the footage that I got. So hope this helps you guys out in case you're like me and you want to film yourself riding your bike, making some cool little videos. But these guys are like 40, 50 bucks. Go grab one of these and snap it on the car and get some awesome footage. All right, short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.